This video is going to go over how to create student reading groups. You log into Storia. Once you get logged in, you go to the teacher sign-in page. I'm going to use 4th grade as the example. Let's say this time we're using 4-1 as our example for adding student reading groups. So I'm going to click on classes. I'm going to click right here on 4-1. Now on the left hand side you'll see it says students, and this is the list of the students in that class. And you'll see it says groups. If I click on groups, right now these students are not in groups. You have not created any groups. I can click add a group. This is a great way to add different reading groups that you might have. Some students might be on higher reading levels than others. If you want to have them in a higher group, and you can assign different level books. Right now everyone's setup is that whatever grade you're in, if you're in 4th grade like this 4-1, they'll have books that are meant for 4th grade reading level. But you may have students that are above or below that, and adding groups and assigning them books is a quicker way than individually adding all of them. So you click on add group. You can choose the name of the group. Let's call this the purple group. And then you'd pick out whatever students were in that group. You'd click save. Now you'd have them in there. I'm going to add another one, yellow group. And as you add those students, they're taken off from the list. And red group. You can click on your group profile. You can change the name. You can add more students. You can delete the entire book, the entire group, I'm sorry. So if you're going through and you want to add to your group, you click on ebooks, and you're going to see it shows all the collections for 4th grade. Anything that's blue, it says shared with the entire class. This says dog books, it's not shared, it's unchecked. Let's say we clicked on it. You have the entire class that you could share it with. You have groups. Now we have our purple group, our yellow group, our red group. If I check one of these and share it, that collection of dog books would just be shared with that group. Same thing, you can pick individuals from your class to share with that collection. And the same idea applies for individual books. You can go through all 2,000 of the books on Storia. You can do this by reading level, genre, subject, format, features, and you can assign the same idea, entire class, groups, or individuals. I'm going to go back and delete those.